Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the best wealth creation stock picks for long-term investment. So here are a list of around 9 to 10 stocks which are apt for long-term wealth creation and are for wealth creation. So, and one thing is that there is no target price in this video. Please don't ask me for target price. This is because basically this video is made for someone who wants to invest for 5 to 10 years, because that's what I mean for long-term investment. So there is no target prices. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 13th Feb 2020. First one on the list is Relaxo Footwares. Its current share price is 795 rupees. The 52-week low is 357, whereas the high is 807. The industry PE is 66, whereas the company PE is 85. The PB is 17. The ROCE is 25, whereas the debt to equity is 0.19. The TTM EPS is 9. The promoter holding is 70%. 958 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 113%, for 3 years, 53%, and for 5 years, 36%. Next one on the list is IRCTC. So one subscriber has been asking me whether is this a multi-bagger stock. Sir, see, all you can invest in this stock. Say like you have amount of 1 lakh to create a portfolio. A 10 to 20% can be allotted for this stock from that amount, and in the portfolio itself you can allot 10 to 20%, and make sure you'll invest. Don't wait for dips. Basically I follow this, whatever price it is, if it is a good stock, just enter, and then we can buy after it gets corrected. We can average the amount, but we can't predict, or we can't say that the stock will go down to this price and then I will buy, because I had spoke about a bot when it was around 5,000, 6,000 rupees last year, and now it is trading at 15,000 rupees. So if we wait for it to go down, then we will not be able to invest. So say you want to invest around 20 to 30,000 in IRCTC, please put in the 10,000 first initially. Then if it gets corrected by 5 or 10 percentage, then enter with the remaining amount. Its current share price is 1,598 rupees. The 52-week low is 625, whereas the high is 1,609. The industry PE is 50, whereas the company PE is 80. The PB is 14. The ROCE is 43, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS, it is not there because it just came into stock market very recently. So we all know that it's like around 4 to 5 months old. So there's no TTM EPS to be calculated, and the promoter holding is 87%. The mutual fund investment is 711 crores, and the returns we don't have because it just came into stock market recently. And another thing is that it has showed a tremendous returns for Q3. So the results have come out very nicely. So you expect the stock to go up going forward. So y'all can enter, not a problem, and buy it again when it corrects. Next one on the list is Bata India. Its current share price is 1,823 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,198, whereas the high is 1,895. The industry PE is 67, whereas the company PE is 61. The PB is 13. The ROC is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.13. The TTM EPS is 29. The promoter holding is 52%. 2,559 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 53%, for 3 years, 53.84%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 23%. Next one on the list is Hindustan Unilever. Its current share price is 2,264. The 52-week low is 1650, whereas the high is 2273. The industry PE is 65, whereas the company PE is 72. The PB is 64. The ROC is 116, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 31. The promoter holding is 67%. 10,655 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 25%. For 3 years, 38%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 20%. Next one on the list is Nestle India. Its current share price is 16,355 rupees. The 52-week low is 10,031, whereas the high is 16,549. The industry PE is 63, whereas the company PE is 85. The PB is 42. The ROC is 70, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 190. The promoter holding is 62%. 5,853 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 50%. For 3 years, 38%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 19%. Next one on the list is Britannia Industries. Its current share price is 3,115 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,300, whereas the high is 3,583. The industry PE is 63, whereas the company PE is 54. The PB is 18. The ROC is 44, whereas the debt to equity is 0.37. The TTM EPS is 55. The promoter holding is 50%. 3,545 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 4%. For 3 years, 24%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 26%. Next one on the list is Bajaj Finance. Its current share price is 4,745 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,506, whereas the high is 4,785. The industry PE is 41, whereas the company PE is 56. The PB is 14. The ROC is 13, whereas the debt to equity is 4.50. The TTM EPS is 87. The promoter holding is 56%. 19,970 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 81%. For 3 years, 65%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 63%. Next one on the list is Avanti Feeds. Its current share price is 624 rupees. The 52-week low is 270, whereas the high is 770. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 31. The PB is 8. The ROC is 36, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 24. The promoter holding is 43%. 192 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 83%. For 3 years, 47%. And for 5 years, it has given us a return of 43%. Next one and the last one in the list is Dixon Technologies India Limited. So its current share price is 4,618 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,560, whereas the high is 4,895. The industry PE is 77, whereas the company PE is 56. The PB is 14. The ROC is 27, whereas the debt to equity is 0.29. The TTM EPS is 96. The promoter holding is 37%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 877 crores, and the returns, we only have 1 year return because just came into stock market around 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago. And the returns for 1 year is 111.72%. So these are the list of wealth creating stocks. So let me tell you all, 90% of the stocks are the ones which I am holding, but these were done after my personal research and everything, and these are my personal favorite stocks which I have invested. I know my husband, either way, like we have invested in our portfolios. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but we're asking me for good stocks, wealth creation stocks. So here's the list. And one thing, as I told you all when I was telling about IRCTC, any stock it is, if you all feel it is a very good stock. So I have not invested in Dixon Technologies and Britannia. I just came out recently. So if at all y'all want to invest, please do your research and then start. I just wanted to let you all know about the good stocks, and as I've told you all, or I'm telling you all, if at all you all want to invest and you all feel that's a good stock and gives you all good returns, please don't wait for the stock to come down and then invest. If at all you all are ready to invest around 20 to 25,000 in one particular stock, please go ahead in any price it is. If it is a good stock, then it will perform good. So invest the initial 10,000, wait for it to get corrected by 5 or 10 percentage, and then invest the remaining 10 or 15,000, whichever you all want to invest. And another thing is, I encourage people to do long term investment. So long term means 5 to 10%. So here in this list, you all can see all 1, 3 and 5 year returns of these stocks, the promoter holding and everything. All these are good, including the mutual fund investment. So we here are the list of good stocks which have given us consistent or good returns of more than 15 to 20% every year. So please decide and then invest, because I am not suggesting y'all, because I'm not SEBI registered or to suggest you all stocks. These are my favorite stocks. So if at all you all want to, please go ahead with your research. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.